Wales Perfumery is the only independent perfume house in Wales, and we're based in Monmouth, just on the outskirts of the town, in the countryside, overlooking the beautiful Wye Valley. It's really something very, very unique. Not many people use their nose as their sense. We are very heavily reliant on our eyes and our ears. And for that group session, you come in and you really have to rely on your nose. And one of the great things about perfumery, when you smell a material, it can transport you back to a time, a place, an experience, your grandfather's greenhouse if you smell something that smells like tomato leaf, a favourite beach that you may have gone on holiday, and over a period of time you build those olfactory memories in your head. When you come to the experience, you really are smelling materials that will instantly transport you back to a time, a place in your life. When people come and arrive to the perfumery, people love how it looks in here. I have my perfume organ, which has got thousands of materials. When people are going through the workshop and they're smelling all the raw materials, if they think that there is something that they really, really like, I can actually reach for one of my materials to add to their bespoke fragrance. People love being able to see out into the countryside. We live in a 500-year-old walled garden and it's absolutely beautiful. We have 6 sheep that are wandering around and people love to sit here and look at the sheep. It's a very cozy, very immersive experience. When they arrive, I do a little introduction and I take them through the history of fragrance, how we actually smell, how our nose behaves, and then we also talk about different fragrance notes, how a perfume performs. I take them through top notes, middle notes, base notes, how they come together to create a fine fragrance. It is a very, very hands-on experience, a very sensory experience. It makes people feel absolutely amazing when they come here. And it's a little bit like chemistry in school. You get to mix all your favourite things together to create a beautiful scent. When you go to the high street, you buy a commercial fragrance that lots of people are wearing. But when you come to a workshop, you're creating something from what you like and everything goes into the bottle and you go away wearing something that is totally bespoke to you. It's a very unique experience in terms of creating something for yourself.